Samar Srivastava. We've spread out our reporters. We're getting you ground reports now from across the country to give you a sense of what exactly these drills will look like in your city, in your district. Samarth is joining us live from Lucknow. Samarth, is Lucknow one of the areas where we're going to be seeing the mock drills tomorrow, and what are the kind of preparations for that?
The rehearsal for the mock drill is on in the state capital and administration, and they are awareing the citizens to how to safeguard them if aerial attack happens from Pakistan. And if you see the visuals out here, you can clearly get the sense that how the civil defense people have been assembled at this particular place, and they are being alarmed. They also got the sirens with them, the people of civil defense, so that they can, turn out the sirens and alert the public out here. And if you see the visuals out here, at any time they'll be blowing this particular siren. And once the siren is on, you'll see how the people of the civil defense will be alerted out here. And you can clearly see this particular sirens will be started. And once the voice would come out, the people at that particular end will get serious and will get into action in an attempt to save the people out here. And these are the people from civil defense who are ready for this particular action. And see this particular phase. The siren will be happening now. And that's the siren, that's the alert by the civil defense. You can clearly see the voice which is coming out. Okay, that's the voice coming from the siren. That's the voice coming from the siren. As you can see, the speed, the volume is increasing. The volume, as far the volume is increasing, the people are getting like now the picture number 2 out here, where you can see a lot of civil defense people and also the normal citizens out here. They all are here lying down, closing their ears. You can clearly get the sense. Cameraman Gaurav showing you the visuals from here. The pictures, the exclusive pictures from Ground Zero, India Today TV is showing the atmosphere out here. And I must mention here that this is just the rehearsal. The mock drill is gonna be more and more serious because currently the civil defense people are being trained at Ground Zero to protect themselves from any aerial attack coming from Pakistan. And that time when Indian Army, Navy and Air Force is all set to take on the Pakistan, the government is making efforts to save the citizens, and that's why these attempts are being made with the help of civil defense, the administration and police. This is the police line area, and you can see how people are saving themselves by going down on the ground and closing their ears as well. And you can clearly get the sense from Ground Zero. India Today TV is showing you the mock drill happening out here with a lot of policemen. There are people from administration out here in large numbers out here. And this is that particular siren which you saw. This particular siren, when this man turned that particular clock on, the voice came in. किस तरीके से ये आप लोग यहाँ पर काम कर रहे हैं, कैसे आवाज? So you can clearly see that they are splitting the people out here. Siren से किस तरह से आप लोग alert कर रहे हैं, क्या तरीका अपना रहे हैं?
ये धीमा तेज आवाज में बजेगा तो इसका मतलब हवाई हमला होने वाला। अब देखिए एक सुर में बज रहा है, इसका मतलब हवाई हमला पोस्टपोन हो गया और अपने बचाव का काम अब करना है। अब बचाव के काम के लिए हमारे सिविल डिफेंस के लोग दौड़ पड़े हैं अपने कार्यों के लिए।
So you can see now the work of safeguarding the citizen has started. That means what the person was saying, bachav ka karya. And now this is happening where the people from civil defense will be saving the citizens. And you can see that this will be lighted up now. If any vehicle, anything is being torched by the aerial attack, you can see the visuals out here, cameraman Gaurav showing you. And now this is being torched. So if this thing happens on Ground Zero, India Today TV showing you the clear visuals out here from Ground Zero, and now to in a way douse this fire. These kind of blankets, the wet blankets are covered, are coming to douse this particular fire, and you see how this fire has been doused. There was an alarming situation. Any vehicle, any building was torched, and even a civilian, if any civilian was torched with the aerial attack, citizens themselves can wet that particular blanket and put it down to douse the fire. And you can clearly get the sense how these pictures and these preparations are in a way. This is just the rehearsal. I must tell you, mock drills tomorrow, and you can get the sense how the people out here are saving each other's and using this particular blankets as well. I'll try to speak to some of them as well. आप लोग मुझे बताएं कि किस तरह से आप लोग ये इसका इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं.
देखिए हम लोग का ये है कि कम अगर हम लोगों को कुछ नहीं मिलता है
Okay, now, people are saving themselves. See, if anybody gets injured, then how the people from civil defense and even the locals from Lucknow or the different districts will save. And these pictures clearly tell the story how they will be saved. A blanket has covered one particular civilian out here, and now he's being taken to the hospital. Wherever the nearby hospital is, that person will be taken like this. So not just that, if you see there, women are also participating in large numbers out here. You can see the people, somebody got fainted and want to get themselves saved, and this person is fainted. And fainted person, this is the way they are taking away these particular persons out here. And now the women, that's how the women will save each other, by taking, see, another fainted example where a man is being fainted and now taken on back of the shoulders and then moving upwards. And all of these are being shown as someone is moving towards the hospital. And see the visuals out here. This person is fainted as per the rehearsal, and they're using the whistles as well to clear this particular space. So using these whistles, they're also clearing the area towards the hospital. See. Okay, so they are giving the example of how if someone gets fainted or someone gets injured by any aerial attack, then you can clearly get the sense how they'll be assembled at one particular area, and how the doctor's team will come up, or they will be taken to the nearby hospital, so that the particular health checkup must happen out here. And see the visuals out here, they're also using different techniques. जैसे कि कोई बेहोश अगर हो जाता है तो आप लोग कैसे होश में लाएंगे?
उनको सबसे पहले तो समुचित अच्छे सही ठंडे वाले स्थान पर ले जाएंगे और पानी वानी की व्यवस्था करेंगे यदि उनके सर पे चोट नहीं लगी है तो.
So you can clearly see that they have been instructed to how to see another picture out here. Okay, ये अगर ये बेहोश है आप कैसे बचाएं?
जी बेहोश हो गए हैं कैजुअलिटी मैंने इनको अपने
दे सकते हैं हम लोग. जरूरत पड़ा तो सीपीआर जो होता है वो हम भी दे सकते हैं. मैक्सिमम जितना हम चाहते हैं कि मिनिमम से मिनिमम बिल्कुल कम से कम क्षति हो, और हम चाहते हैं पहली बात है मौका ना आए. हम उसके लिए पूरी तैयार हैं और पूरी सिविल डिफेंस पूरी टीम तैयार है इस चीज के लिए. और देखिए अगर जरूरत पानी पड़ता है,
you can see they are also using the water if somebody got fainted. Yes. Okay. So these are exclusive visuals where you can see that if somebody got fainted, they are rubbing the hands as well and using the water on their faces, giving them drinking water as well, also checking the heartbeats as well. So these pictures clearly tells the story. Now see, they're also checking the nerves as well. So this is the situation out here from ground zero. If a person gets injured or gets fainted by any such attack, by the aerial attack, by the enemy, the civil defense people are awareing the citizens of Uttar Pradesh and Lucknow as well. And if you see the wider picture from here, cameraman Gaurav will show you the picture that how this place converted into a short medical camp. We show the pictures of the area where the attack happened, and now we are showing the pictures of a place which was converted shortly into a medical camp where doctors team reached at the spot and giving the medical checkup, and also activating those who got injured or who got fainted by the aerial attack, because it's also a psychological pressure whenever war-like situation happens and whenever you see such missiles or such aerial attacks happen. And that's why to be aware by whatsoever comes in, this is the duty of civil defense and also the citizens of this country. Back to you.